I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to verify your identity on Bybit, follow these straightforward steps to get it done quickly. Step 1. Create an account. Start by signing up for a Bybit account if you haven't already. Go to the Bybit website or app and click on Sign Up. Fill in your email and create a password. Step 2. Navigate to verification. Before starting recovery, use the s.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Choose verification type. Select the type of verification you need. Bybit typically offers different levels based on your trading needs. Choose the one that suits you best. Step 4. Upload documents. Prepare to upload your identification documents. This usually includes a government issue ID and a selfie. Make sure the documents are clear and legible. Note, if your ID is blurry, it may delay the process, so double check before submitting. Step 5. Submit and wait. After uploading your documents, submit your application. You will receive a notification once your identity is verified. This can take anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of days. Getting your identity verified on Bybit doesn't have to be complicated. Just follow these steps and you'll be trading in no time. Happy trading!